How to make WordPress members can upload and share documents to BuddyPress activity stream. Hello everyone. In this video, we are sharing with you how to make WordPress members can upload and share documents to BuddyPress activity stream. As you know, BuddyPress does not offer this feature. But with Youzify, you can have it for free. Even people can download the file easily. First, you need to install the BuddyPress plugin. His plugin is free. You can find the plugin by the searching bar, then install and activate it. Second, you need to install the Youzify plugin Lite version and activate it. This plugin is also free and you can get it from the WordPress plugin directory. Once Youzify is active, please go to Youzify panel, General Settings, and then Wall Settings. Navigate to control wall posts visibility and enable file posts type. Still, on wall settings, scroll up to the activity attachment settings box. And set up max attachments file size that can be uploaded and file extensions. You can remove any file extensions or add a new one. And let's see the results. Now your members can upload a document and share it to the BuddyPress activity stream. Thank you for watching. And see you in the next video.